Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Love Wellness subscription. Okay, so basically the cancellation is very easy and there are two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. And before cancellation you need to keep something in your mind. The first thing, this is the thing, like you must made at least 24 hours prior to your next billing date. Okay, if you are going to cancel your subscription, make sure you are at least 24 hours prior to your next billing date. Okay, and if we talk about like how to cancel, the cancellation is like the first method is very easy, the online method. You need to log in into your account, and once you logged in, like on the official website, you need to log in, and once you logged in, you will see this kind of options, and or you can click on your profile icon at the right top side. There is a icon, this is the profile icon, and once you tap on this button, there is a options like subscription, manage subscription button, and subscription also. This is also a subscription section. You can also select this one, okay, or you can select on manage subscription. Both are same. Okay, so basically when you select manage subscription, if you have any active subscription, you can cancel it over here. And if you don't see any subscription on this area and still you are they are charging on your account, in this case what you have to do, you need to compose an email. Okay, in the email you need to write a subject like cancelling of request with Love Wellness, and in the body section you need to provide your subscription details and why they are charging on your account and which product they are charging on your account. You need to provide these kind of details, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Okay, and once your email is done, okay, you need to send this email at their email address. The email address is like contact@lovewellness.com. okay, this is the contact. This contact information is also available on their official website. Okay, and once they receive your email, they will contact you after a period of time like 5 to 6 days, and or 1 or 2 3 days, depends on, you can like due to their, you can like busy schedule. So they will reply you and they will provide you the information regarding your cancellation is done or not. And if you don't get any email from their side, maybe you need to check your spam folder also. Maybe the email is in your spam folder. Please check out your spam folder also. Okay, and if you get your email, it means your subscription is ended and they are not going to charge on your account for your upcoming bills or upcoming, you can say, like deliveries. If you don't get any if you don't get any email, you need to keep in touch with the customer, okay, regarding the same. Okay, so these are the methods by which you can cancel your Love Wellness subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.